All right, so for our level 2F notes, we're talking about this concept of sea level. And sea level is going to be something that you're going to see in your test a lot. So I want to discuss what this word means. You know, around the world, there are a lot of different terms that you're going to hear about for numbers. Sea level is going to be consistently the same number. So we have this picture here. We have a mountain, we have some clouds, we got some fish, we have some trees, we have some water. We are judging, for the sake of our unit, we are judging that watermark, that ground level, as sea level. Sea level is always going to be the number 0, and then anything above 0 is our positive numbers, and anything below 0 is our negative numbers. That's going to be really important. As you begin to use a number line and a number scale, you're going to want to make sure that your sea level is clear, and it will always be that value of 0. So in your notes right now, I want you to label the rest of this number line. I don't mind what you count by. You can count by 5, you can count by 10, but I want you to make sure that every single number has every single dash on our number line has a number on it, and I want you to fill this out. I want you to make sure that you write yourself a note that sea level is always going to be the value of 0, and that will be a huge part moving forward.